Hi, I'm Varnaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. Let's go and make some keto low carb potato chips. Yes, you heard that right. We are going to make potato chips the keto low carb way. So let's go to my kitchen and let's get cooking. So let's begin. We begin with half a cup of egg whites put into a blender, 2 tablespoons of whey protein isolate, 1/4 of a teaspoon of xanthan gum, and half a teaspoon of salt. Now I'm adding a bit of spices. One of the main spices you do need to put is paprika. It really makes a difference. The rest you can choose. Now I'm adding some liquid smoke to give it the barbecue taste, but that's completely optional. Just put it into the blender, blend it all now, and you have this lovely color which has a bit of a barbecue taste as well as the right color because of the paprika. I added 2 tablespoons of water and blended again. Now I'm taking some muffin pans and adding a very thin layer at the bottom. Just give it a little whirl and you'll get that perfect round potato chips. So that makes all the difference. You'll need quite a few muffin pans for this one. And if you have anything else that's round and can go into the oven, perfect. Now I'm going to bake this in the oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 150 degrees Fahrenheit centigrade for anywhere between 13 to 15 minutes. What I'm doing last is sprinkling a little bit of parmesan cheese. It just gives the potato chips a little more structure. After about 10 to 11 minutes, I'm flipping them around and letting them finish baking for the complete 15 minutes. After that, I put them onto a cooling rack and hear the crunch. Absolutely amazing. What could be closer than in look and texture and taste than these potato chips? Thanks for watching.